Right then, so tonight's a little project. I had some new tyres fitted at the weekend on the TL. When Josh fitted my tyres for me and he took the airbox off, he did spot that the air filter could do with changing. It's a bit worse for wear. Luckily I had already ordered another one, just ordered one online, not expensive, I think it was about £12. So yeah, we're going to get the panel off, get inside the airbox and get the filter swapped over. So all I've got to do, obviously you've got the self-tapping screw and your 2 Allen bolts, they've got to come off, the panel will come off, then we just disconnect the indicator. That will give us access to the airbox and we can crack on and get that filter fitted. So as you can see, I've got the side panel off, so all I need to do now, I need to get in and release these screws around the airbox, and the bolt down here. That should then just pull away and hopefully it's a straightforward swap over of the filter then. So yeah, let's get that airbox off next. There we go then, we've got the screws out. You've got 3 small Phillips head screws that go in these 3 here. Then you've got just some slightly different machine screws which go in the bottom 2. And then the only other one you have to remove on this, you've got a bolt that goes right on the end here. So they're the main ones to remove. That should now just pull off, so we just give it a wiggle. There we go. And there's our air filter. So as you can see, it doesn't look the greatest. It's actually looks like the foam's been removed from that side of it as well. So looks straightforward, just 3 screws, one there, one there, and one there. So just let you have a quick look at that. So, there you go. As you can see, you just need to take out these 3 screws here, here and here, and if you look closer you can see where the foam's been ripped away. So yeah, definitely needs replacing. So let's get that done next. So as you can see, the new filter, it's got the foam on this side, and then obviously got the grill on the other side, so it obviously fits in that way around. So let's get this one off. Safekeeping. Excuse the lighting, this is my new garage that I've managed to obtain to keep the Scomadi safe, especially over the winter. But I've got no power in here, no lighting, so I'm going to invest a bit of dirt in there. I'll give that a wipe out, but yeah, as you can see, that filter's rather mucky. It's not horrendous, but I don't like the fact that somebody's obviously removed that foam for some reason. But you can see how much brighter and cleaner that filter is compared to that. So let's get that. We'll get that wiped out and then pop the new filter on. So there we go, that's the new filter fitted. Looking a lot cleaner, the airbox is all cleaned out, so I'll get the airbox cover fitted back on and then put the panels back on and we're ready to go with a nice new clean air filter. So that's the cover snapped back into place. And we'll just get it all screwed and locked back together again now. Whenever I do things like this, I like to do opposite corners, so we'll do that one and we'll drop down here. This one in. It's a bit fiddly, it's underneath. bolt into there, the other machine screw into that one, and then we've got the other two self-tappers in there. So there we go, that's the panel refitted, and we're all ready to go. We'll just give it a quick start, just make sure we're running okay. Just making sure that the rear indicator's working now. I've refitted the panel. We're all good to go.